Here's all the items that you need to think about whenever we're doing some type of validation. Now, these are usually in an if-else statement. They're not really the try and the catches that we first thought of. Remember, try catch is the first part, making sure they entered in the right type of data. If they've entered in the right type, then we need to do all these. You've actually seen range check, you've seen divided by zero, and a reasonability check. You've already seen these first three already in effect somewhere in the code that we've done before. The other one is a length check. You know, we got to check to see if it's the right length for telephone numbers have 10 digits. A format check. Make sure it's in day, month, year, or if you're, that's the European way of doing it. Ours is month, day, and year. There's other options we need to think about. This is what's going to show up in your if-else statements. By the way, what if we're gathering a string? Length check, need to check the format string, check, a social security number, make sure the dashes are under. This still applies to even if we're accepting a string in. We have to think about that when we're doing our validation after we've checked for the data type. Part two is now worrying about what the actual data that is the right data type to see if it actually is the right data that we need that doesn't have any errors in it. This is that second part right here that you have to think about every time we build an application.